Welcome to MENA MedTech Insights. Today we are navigating the regulatory landscape of Jordan, a key and growing market in the Middle East. We will focus specifically on the process for registering a Class II medical device with the Jordan Food and Drug Administration, or JFDA. The first and most critical step for any foreign manufacturer is to appoint a local Authorized Representative, or AR. This entity must be registered with the JFDA and will be responsible for submitting your application and liaising with the authorities on your behalf. Choosing a reliable and experienced AR is paramount to a smooth process. Next, you must prepare a comprehensive technical dossier. Jordan's JFDA has a favorable stance as it accepts regulatory approval from reference markets. This means if you have a CE mark under the EU MDR or FDA 510(k) clearance, the path is more straightforward. Your dossier must include administrative documents like a legalized certificate of free sale from the country of origin. You will also need your ISO 13485 certificate, product labeling, and instructions for use, or IFU. A crucial detail for Jordan is that key documents, including the agency agreement with your AR and the certificate of free sale, often require legalization from the Jordanian embassy in the country of origin, which can be a time-consuming step. Let's consider a real-world scenario. A German company with a new Class IIA diagnostic imaging device, already CE marked, sought entry into Jordan. They submitted their dossier, but faced a 3-month delay. The reason was twofold. First, their labeling and IFU were only in English and German, but the JFDA required the key safety and performance information to be available in Arabic. Second, their certificate of free sale was authenticated with a standard apostille, but it lacked the specific legalization from the Jordanian embassy. This case highlights the need for meticulous attention to local details beyond just the technical data. The entire review process by the JFDA typically takes between 4 to 8 months, assuming your dossier is complete and accurate from the start. Any missing information or documentation errors will trigger requests for clarification, extending this timeline. Once approved, the JFDA issues a registration certificate, which is typically valid for 5 years. Navigating the nuances of markets like Jordan requires local expertise and a strategic approach. Chen-Global specializes in streamlining this process, from appointing a local representative to ensuring your documentation meets all specific JFDA requirements, including translation and legalization. For comprehensive support on accessing the Jordanian market or any other global market, please email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at https://